Welcome to this new session, new video where we are going to discuss the questions and answers related to piping engineering. What we are going to do, we'll have one question on screen along with few options. Then we'll take a pause of 5 seconds to understand the question correctly. Then we'll look into each and every option given against the questions and we'll come up to the right answer. So we are going to discuss each question in detail. So this is going to be very interesting session. So let's start with the questions. Which statement is true regarding the A53 pipe material type? Galvanized steel pipe is covered with zinc material. Black steel pipe is different from galvanized because it is uncoated. These are the two statements. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct, or statement 1 and 2 both are correct, or none of the above. So the correct answer is C. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. Now let us try to understand what these two statements are. There is a pipe material standard A53. Okay, these two statements are talking about its type. We have galvanized steel pipe. A53 represents galvanized pipe material. Okay, is covered with zinc material. There are two types, galvanized and black steel. First statement is talking about the galvanized. It is saying it is covered with zinc material. So this statement is true. In galvanized steel pipe, the pipe is covered with zinc material. Black steel pipe is different from galvanized because it is uncoated. Only difference between galvanized and black steel is not coated. So with time its color becomes black. So that is why we call it black steel. So both these statements are correct. Galvanized is covered with zinc and black steel is not covered with zinc. These both are the type of A53 pipe material. What is primary use of galvanized pipe ASTM A53? To supply water to homes and buildings. Zinc also prevents the build-up of material deposits that can clog the water line. Only B or both A and B statements are correct. So the right answer is D. Both A and B statements are correct. The A53 is galvanized material which is commonly used to supply water to homes and buildings. Zinc is used to coat on the surface which prevents the buildup of mineral deposits that can clog the water. So it helps in building up the deposits so there is no clogging in the water line. So that means that is how it is helping in supplying the water. So both statements are correct. Which are true related to A53 pipe types? Black and galvanized pipes are made of steel. Galvanized pipe has a zinc coating. Black pipe does not. Galvanized pipe is ideal for carrying water but not suitable for carrying gas. Galvanized pipe is more expensive because of zinc coating, or all of the above. So the correct answer is E. As A53 is a material type which is having galvanized and black pipe, galvanized is zinc coated and black is not having any coating, but both are made of steel. So first statement is correct. Galvanized is zinc coated, black is not. So second statement is also correct. Galvanized pipe is for carrying water because there is zinc coating. It does not clog the pipe, does not allow the clogging. So zinc is helping. That is how it is helping in carrying the water, but it is not suitable for gas. Galvanized pipe is more expensive. As zinc coating is there, it is more expensive. So that is how all these statements are correct related to black and galvanized pipe which are covered in A53 pipe material. Just wanted to bring into your notice that you can increase the speed from 1x to 2x. Go to the settings and change. Sometimes we know few of the things so that we can quickly go through the content by increasing the speed. Again, also we have few courses developed on piping engineering. 8 important elements where all the pipe, flange, steam trap, monitors, everything is covered, all the elements. Then piping layout, compressor, pipe rack, pumps, exchanger, columns, everything is covered. Then codes and standard, all the codes and standard mostly commonly used in piping industry are covered. Plot plan development. So all these courses are available. Links are given in the description box. There will be lifetime access certificate will also be provided, so we can learn, refresh and record the content. So let's continue with the session. The black steel pipe with A53 material is used for fire sprinkler systems. It is more fire resistant than galvanized pipe. It is black in color. All A53 material pipes can be used for sprinklers. Galvanized pipe can be used for sprinkler piping. So which of the following statements are correct? The correct answer is A. As we have discussed, galvanized pipe is having zinc coating, okay, which is helping in supplying the water to different locations. But black pipe is used for supplying the gas. In this case, we are talking about fire sprinklers. Okay, galvanized pipe is more fire resistance. That is why we are using this as a system in sprinkler systems. So the first statement is correct. Why one of the types of A53 pipe is called black? The dark color comes from iron oxide formed on its surface during manufacturing. Just a name of one of the categories. Color has no meaning in defining the pipe types. The correct answer is A. As we have two types in A53 pipes, one is galvanized, another is black. Okay, why the color is the name is black? Because while manufacturing, the iron oxide layer is formed on the surface and its color looks like black. So that is why we call it black pipe. The correct answer is A. Black steel pipe of material A53 is manufactured without a seam. Purpose is to make stronger and safer pipe to carry gas, to make it look better, to help in transportation, or none of the above. The correct answer is A. Whenever we have a pipe with no seam, or we call it without seam or seamless, those pipes are stronger as compared to welded pipes. As we are using the black pipes to carry the gas, which is very critical, so we need to have piping system which is safe and strong. That is why the first statement is correct. Its purpose is to make it strong and safer to carry the gas. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. This was all about this session. There are so many other videos available in playlists and on this channel. You can always look into this. You can always mention a topic in your comment section so that we can make videos on those topics also. I'm sure these are all very informative and adding value to your knowledge. So keep watching. Stay tuned.